gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen. Karibu. Huayin.
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great symphony of us.
Can you hear the sound of the world in motion? The wind through the trees, the tides of the ocean. Can you feel the beat of a million hearts all in time? Like the sun, the moon, and light. Tiny moments in between, I remember. You are a part of me, and I am a part of you. Just like a symphony, different melodies live in harmony. So go ahead and sing your song. I'll be there to sing along. Together, it's just like a symphony, different melodies live in harmony. So go ahead and sing your song.
When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边，je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart.
our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors. Our family. Nuestra familia. Recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
So close, and still so far.
Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she when somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together.
we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. For the sons of each other.
All at once, everything is different. Now that I found
How miraculous that we exist on this planet at the same time.
now that I found
And yet, it's the human connection that unifies us.
a pulse, a beat, like gravity. The rhythm of our hearts is all around. A bond, a pledge, a common thread connects us in the unifying sound. Like the pounding of a drum, steady spinning round the sun. The beating of our hearts echoes straight up to the stars for all the world to hear. It never fades. Steady and ready, can you feel it? Hear it now. Come together as one. Like a wave across the ocean. Like a rhythm of love when your heart's wide open.
In the great symphony